All right, here we go. So now we've played with image size. We've played with canvas size. We have a little bit of an understanding with DPI. I'm going to go back to that one just to be sure everyone understands. DPI is dots per inch. So every image in the world, whether it's 300, 1000 DPI, 72 DPI, this is how Photoshop works, is if you zoom in close enough, I'll just go to a detail in the hair, right? If you zoom in and zoom in and zoom in and keep going, okay, each image is composed of these different tiles. These are dots. So if you zoom in to the absolute maximum, eventually you notice that all of these tiles are individually, hued, if you will. And these images and the quality, the way that this image works is, I'm just getting a little feedback, but I'm trying to zoom out here. So that's how images work. They're a combination of tiles, and the more this is high in dots per inch, the more tiles you have. The lower this is, so if I make this 15 dots per inch instead of 300 DPI, the less quality I have, and obviously the less weight it has when you're trying to transfer the file. So this is a low resolution image, and I'm going to go here to edit, undo the image size. We're going to go back to a high resolution image. All right, so that's DPI. And now let's head into layer masks. So what's really the magical part about Photoshop is what you can do is eliminate a part of the change that you added here and you can basically add or subtract the effect that you want by painting using a brush. I'm going to go here and find a brush, window, brushes. All right. So I'm going to find general brushes. I will take this one. I like it very much. It's kind of very precise when you're small, and it's kind of very diffused when you're here. And you can augment, increase, or decrease the brush size, okay, to affect a change. So let's say I zoom into this image, and you can do this. I know a shortcut. You can do this with Command Plus. You can basically zoom in. I think that this would be this if you're trying to zoom in, and you can explore some of the shortcuts to zoom in and out with the tools here, right? So the brush tool is here. And if I work on this layer, I can effectively, if we can imagine that black means take away and white means add on in this layer mask scenario, okay? So if I choose the darker color, there we go, I can basically, I'll do it real quick just to illustrate it, and then I'll show you how to add the effect to only a certain part of the image. So I've removed all of it except I want to keep what it does to Preen's face, to augment the luminosity of her face. All right, I'm going to get into a little bit more of details how you get this done, as I realize I'm working a lot with shortcuts here, but this shows you the possibilities of working with layer masks and working only one specific area at a time here.